If Rigathi Gachagua decides to go to the ballot,
Yes.
Ruto will be back to State House Sambiri asubuhi.
Why?
Gachagua otemire gotetea abantu ba Mount Kenya
All right.
in public and in different ways. However, they may not vote him as their leader.
Yeah.
There are two different things here.
Yes.
Ekerokorakana will defend the community, people will support you to defend the community.
All right.
But when it comes to leadership, that's a different thing.
All right.
They may not. Number two, that means opposition wanongochire kuba divided. Because if he goes, there is this issue or concern across the country that leadership is very central, very central. It's the other day that Uhuru Kenyatta exited office. Now Ruto has it. And then you are telling us again that Gachagua, again, the ballot, could be president. I mean, it's not possible. If really Gachagua means well for this country, he must support other candidates. We have Kalonzo Musyoka, we have Matiang'i, right? Yeah, at least other communities that you're going to change to power. But it sounds more selfish, right? According to me, it sounds more selfish. Then it makes us think that perhaps the reason why you are fighting is not because it's because you want to be in power.